Going to be a short video because it's really simple to do, it's easy to do, and like most things I show on this channel, you can go ahead and get this set up pretty quickly. So I'm on ebay.co.uk, obviously because I'm in the UK, but this will work if you're in the US, Spain, or wherever. So we're going to go ahead and we'll start listing items on eBay, and the best place to go ahead and find some items that you can list on eBay is this site here. So this site here is called Vippon or Vippon.com. Now this is a site which is aimed at Amazon sellers, and Amazon sellers come on here and they list their products and they put up a code. So as you can see, this one here it's got 49% off this item, this one here it's got 50% off, and you know they go up to, like, there's one here it's got 93% off. So what you do is you come on here and you would pick your country. So I'm in the UK, but if I click this drop down box here, you can see they've got Amazon.com, Canada, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, and Japan. And then on the left hand side you've got all of the different categories. So all you would do is you would come on here and you'd scroll through your categories and you'd find items on here, and then once you find an item you then go over to eBay and see if that's selling on eBay, and then you can start listing that on eBay. And the way this works is you would create your listing on eBay. Once the item sells on eBay, you would come back over to Vippon or Vippon, and then you would buy this item on Amazon, and then you would ship it direct from Amazon to your buyer on eBay. And by using this site, it's really good because not many people know about this site, and you can get some really good items on here with amazing, like you saw here, this one here, this has got 93% off. So I'll just show you a couple of categories which I use and which normally do well. So on the left hand side here, where's the first one? So the first one we will look at is, electrics. That's normally a good category. Now what I have found is this category here, beauty and grooming. So this is normally a decent category to go ahead and have a look at. So all you would do is you just go through here and you'd have a look. So let's say for argument's sake this one here, 4-in-1 curling iron. So you just click that. Now, when you are on the site and you click on anything, it does open up another tab for you. So you do end up with quite a few tabs open along the top. But when you do click on there, it will open it up and it'll give you all of the product details. It will tell you exactly how much you can buy that for. And then it will give you a code. And then you just go onto Amazon using the code, and then you send that over to your buyer on eBay. So this here, let's go ahead and grab this 4-in-1 curling iron, and then we're going to take this. There we go. It won't work in them, was it? So I'm going to take this here, 4-in-1 curling iron. So as you can see, it's a 60% discount, and we can buy this for £8.40. So if I click there and click on copy, and then go over to eBay, you would just paste in what we've grabbed from here. So 4-in-1 curling iron. I'm just going to go over to eBay. I'm going to paste that in, and then we're going to look on eBay. I'm going to look on eBay for this. Now we're not going to have a look at items that are currently live on eBay. We're going to go ahead and look for not completed, sold listings. So paste that in there and click on search, and then eBay is going to go ahead and bring up all of the listings for you. But you don't want to just go ahead and look at listings, because there could be listings on there for £50, £60, there could be listings on there for £12, but if they're not selling, then it's irrelevant really, you'll just be wasting your time. So once you've put that in eBay, and once this loads up, we'll then scroll down on the left hand side and go to sold listings. So here on the left hand side, click on sold items, and then that will refresh and it will show you any items that have sold with the 4-in-1 curling iron. So that one there actually looks like the same one that we found on Vippon. So let's go ahead and have a look at this again. So I do apologise for this, for whatever reason, button, my internet just seems to have died. So here we go. So 4-in-1 curling iron, and we've filtered this via sold. So this one here, it looks exactly the same as this one over on Vippon. In fact, I think it's exactly the same. So you can see straight away. So this one here on Vippon, you can buy this for £8.40. It's actually sold, so the 10th of June this sold, so that was 3 days ago. It's sold for £29.93. So you can see straight away by buying this at £8.40 and then selling that on at £29, or you could even undercut these a little bit and going at £28, you're making a decent markup on there. Now whenever you are looking at this, the other thing I would recommend to you is to go ahead and use a letter here. So this one here is if you're in the UK. If you wanted to change this to the American one, you would just get rid of the .UK here and you just change that to com, and that will take you to the US calculator. So basically you would go on here and you just, in fact let's do it. So sold price, let's say we were selling this for £28. Shipping charge, so this is the amount charged to the buyer, so we'll put that as 0 because we wouldn't charge them. Shipping costs, so this would be the price you paid for shipping. This is going to be 0 because we're buying that direct from Amazon. Item cost, so that is going to cost us, what was it? Was it £8? £8.40. Basic shop, so obviously you would have a basic shop set up when you're doing this, because when you've got your shop set up you get discounts on there. So as you can see here, this would be the total eBay fee, this would be the PayPal fee, so you would make a total profit of £16.21 after fees by going ahead and getting this item here on Vippon and then listing that on eBay. And this is just one product that we've just found pretty quickly really. If I go back over to here, so you can see here they've got instant deals that they have on Vippon, they have upcoming deals, and I just would say to go through the different categories, have a look at items, just copy and paste the top part of the description, go over to eBay, and then when you are on eBay just make sure you're clicking on the sold on the left hand side, so that will bring up anything that is sold for you. And as you've just seen from this here, 4-in-1 curling iron, straight away you can see you're making a profit of £16 with that one. So that's enough for today's video. It's pretty short, I know, but this here, the site you want to be on is Vippon.com. I'll drop a link to that below, and I'll also drop a link to the calculators, because whenever you are doing this, just do make sure that you're using your calculators, because I've seen people who actually don't include the fees and then they're a little bit puzzled as to why they're not making as much profit as what they originally thought. So I'll drop links to this below, but like I say, this here, it's a really great site. So just to recap, you would go over to Vippon or Vippon, you would search for products. Once you find products on here, you go over to eBay. Once you've got that listed on eBay and that item sells on eBay, you then come back over to this site here and then you click on get code, and then that will just give you a code to go over to Amazon and buy that direct from Amazon, and then you send that from Amazon to your buyer on eBay. And this is it's quick to do, it is simple to do, and you can make some really good profit with this. So thank you for watching today's video, and I shall see you tomorrow.